There you go, guys. This is the Toshiba P70 A01D. But a few people asked me to take the back off so they can have a look inside to see if you can add an additional hard drive to it, which I'm here to say you can. It's just a matter of undoing the one screw, popping the back off, pop, 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 and remove the back. So this is the standard SATA drive it comes with. Here is room for the secondary drive. You can either put in another SATA, or you can put in an SSD drive into this spare slot if you wish. There's also two slots here for additional RAM if you want to boost your RAM up, and you can see the BIOS batteries very accessible in the back here also. So there you have it, just a short video. I'll just get a close-up shot for you just to show you guys, yes, you can put in an additional hard drive. Just line up so you can see the connectors there. And additional RAM slots. No worries, guys. Got any questions, drop me a message and I'll catch up with you next time.